Guys, so today I'm gonna be making picaditas, which is a traditional dish from Guerrero. Right now I'm gonna start making the salsa, which I'm using 2 tomatillos and 2 chiles serranos. I'm gonna be adding to the salsa onion and garlic and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna be using potatoes, onion, masa, pork fat, cotija cheese, and we're gonna be using sour cream. And that's okay. I'm gonna start cutting the potatoes. Make sure you use yellow potatoes because they are softer and they're easy to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using 4 potatoes for this dish. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut onions as well. Make sure you slice the onion into small pieces. Go ahead and throw them in the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the salsa in. And we're gonna let this cook for at least 35 minutes until the potatoes, they're like really soft. And that's it for the salsa. And this is how your chile de papa should look. Okay, so I'm gonna start making the tortillas, which is gonna become the picadita. So pretty much just grab a little masa, turn it into a little ball, put it on the tortillera, which is the tortilla press. So it's gonna be a little thicker than the tortilla. Normally tortillas are thin, but this one we're gonna make it a little bit thicker, so don't press too much. Make sure the size is like this. And go ahead and put them in the grill. So I'm gonna make 3 for this dish, but you guys can make it as many you want. So just press a little bit. You don't want them to be too thin. Yeah, be careful that doesn't happen to you. I forgot to put the other plastic. You have to put the plastic because other than that, it's gonna stick to the tortillera. So let's try this one more time. We're gonna turn this one. The reason they have to be thick is because you are gonna add some texture to the tortilla, so it can become the picadita, and you can add the chile de papa. So you kind of need like a little bit space to do that. So make sure you get them thick. So just do as many you want to eat. For this, I'm gonna do 3 only. They kind of look like sopes, but they're not sopes. That's it. We're just gonna wait for the picadita, which is a tortilla right now, to be ready so we can start preparing them. We're gonna go ahead and add the chile de papa and all the toppings. Also, I want to let you guys know, if you guys can't find a tortilla press, you can easily make them by hand. You just pretty much grab the ball, just turn it around, press, turn around, press, and that's it until you finally make one. It's not perfect, obviously, but it's the same thing. And that's it. Okay, so in an empty pan, we're gonna add the pork fat, which is like butter. Just let it melt. So I put 3 spoons. And here we're gonna start doing the picaditas, which, like, they don't need to be hot, but don't let them get too cold, because other than that it's gonna be difficult for you to start doing texture around, because that's what we're gonna do. So pretty much you push it from the middle to the end, push it all the way. And then pinch it in the middle, and this is how they're supposed to look. So you're gonna repeat doing that. The pan's already hot with the pork fat, and you're just gonna drop them in and let them fry a little bit. Not too much though, you don't want them to be crispy, like all the way crispy, but you do want them to cook a little bit. And pretty much repeat with all the little tortillas, which they become picaditas, and start putting them in. Be careful, because since it's pork fat, it does hurt when it jumps in, like in your skin though. Just go ahead and turn it. And add the other one. First, put the one with the side you're gonna put on the pan first. It's the one with the texture, and then you're gonna turn it around to the flat side. And leave it there for like maybe a minute or less, just to cook and get a little bit of brown color, and that's it. Pull them out. We're gonna start preparing the picaditas. The chile de papa is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and add them in the center. Make sure you put a little bit of salsa too. Go ahead and add your queso cotija. And let's add sour cream. And that's it. Your picaditas are ready. And here they are, your picaditas. I go ahead and garnish them with cilantro. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you.